Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Salesforce app. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, you will need to have your Salesforce application that will be already installed in your phone. After that, you're logging in to your Salesforce account. And simply, this is the home page of your account or your Salesforce application. Basically, here at down, we will find the navigation bar. And simply, it is a simplified interface of the web app. And basically, first, you can see all your opportunities and you can access to any opportunities by going to all lists. And from here, you can find all your opportunities in the private one, etc. I'm just going to click on all opportunities, and from here I can find all these. I can click on any opportunity, and from there I will see the detailed view of my opportunity. Now let's go again to the leads, and they are all similar when it comes to views. You will need just to access to any object and click on the record that you would like, and from there you can find the view or the detail view. So from here you can find the posts of it, you can add files, you can also add new tasks, etc. Now you can also find your own tasks from your mobile application. And also, if you have already some files that you have added or shared, you can find them here in the files. You can go to the menu, and from there you will find all the tabs that you have in your web app, and you will find them here in your menu. So basically, if you want to see the events, you can just simply access to the events, or you can go to the dashboards. You can go also the task, leads, contacts, or any other object, and you can be able to start manipulating it. So basically, you can do everything that you can do in your web app here in your mobile application. So basically, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.